મિત્રો, જય વિદ્યાલયમાં તમારું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. આજે આપણે યુનિટ 4 ટેલ મી વાય માં એક્સરસાઇઝ 6ના પ્રશ્નો જોઈશું. આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન. એક્ટિવિટી 6 મિત્રો, પહેલો પ્રશ્ન, વેર વોઝ ધ સાયન્સ ફેર હેલ્ડ? ધ સાયન્સ ફેર હેલ્ડ વોઝ in Karthik school. Who visited the science fair? Karthik and his mother visited the science fair. Give the name of the section in the science fair. The name of the section in the science fair are 3 sections. First, environment. Second, agriculture. Third, health. Who took part in the science fair? Anjana, Vasant and Prachi took part in the science fair. How are trees useful to us? Trees are useful to us many kind. They give us rain, they give us food, they save us environment, they give us clean O2, they take CO2 and they help our house furniture. Why should we eat banana? We should eat banana because banana is very useful us. Banana give us calcium and it help us our body healthy. Why the bamboo is wonderful tree? The bamboo is wonderful tree because it is a 80 feet more than height, and one day bamboo height 3 feet per day. What is the hydroponic method of agriculture? The hydroponic method of agriculture is made on terrace. There is no requirement for sand and it is a useful to without soil make our on terrace. We grow fruit, vegetable also. Why do we need terrace garden? We need terrace garden because today urbanization, we not require the soil. Terrace garden is very important. Every man to grow hydroponic method on terrace. Which are the use of banana? The banana used for paper, cup, dish, sari, and there are many use for banana. We go to the activity 6B, make list of use, name of the plant, use in the thing given in the dialogue, use in the thing you have observed. To build bridge, to make friends, to make swing, to make table. We use raft, fishing rod, and other use. Use in things you have observed to make house, building, bridge, basket, flute, and the stick. Banana tree, use paper, dish, cup, sari, and other use. We observe banana tree use for sari, use for our marriage ceremony and others. Activity 6C. What did Karthik and his mummy watch at science exhibition? Write report on it. Karthik and his mummy went to the science exhibition on 20 February. There were 3 sections in it. First of all, they visit the agriculture zone because Karthik liked the agriculture zone. The Math Science Club arranged the exhibition. Karthik liked the most agriculture. They visit for the Prachi project for the hydroponic method of gardening. Prachi gives the information for the what is the important for hydroponic method. Therefore, we should terrace gardening, and for that hydroponic method of gardening, in this method we have make layer stone on plastic on the terrace. With their help, plants can stand. After the plant will be planted at appropriate distance and then give them water. We can also use PVC pipe. By hydroponic method, we can grow vegetable and fruits. After the Karthik and his mother visit for environment section, the Vasant told, my project title is Bamboo and Banana are the best. Really, bamboo is very useful tree and banana also very important for us. Bamboo is very strong, therefore it use build the bridge. We make many things like fence, fishing rod, raft, basket, furniture, etc. A plant may grow 80 feet even more. Sometimes it shoot up 3 feet in the single day. Karthik, it's wonderful. How is music produced on flute? It magic. The bamboo had joined the wave of steam. The steam is hollow between the joint so that we can play on flute. See this picture. And banana also very useful. Banana leaf, flower, trunk, fiber are important. Banana leaf are large, flexible and waterproof. So they are used for food container plate. It is also useful making cup, paper and dish. Banana leaves also are make the fiber for the sari in Tamil Nadu. And last Karthik and his mother visit to the health is wealth. It is very important project for Anjana. Anjana says herb and spices do more important for our food. Spices and herb are really are useful for our body. So Anjana gives the important information for ginger, elaichi, chatwari and garlic is also very important. So this is very important for Karthik and his mother visit the science exhibition. Really, science in our life. Karthik and his mother visit science fair and very important for Karthik and his mother. So, I request to all students, science is really not used only for students but every person in our family use the science. Today we use the science in every minute in our life. મિત્રો યુનિટ 4માં આજે આપણે એક્ટિવિટી 7નો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. એક્ટિવિટી 6 સાયન્સ ઇઝ અવર લાઈફ અને એક્ટિવિટી 6Bના પ્રશ્નો કાર્તિક એન્ડ હિઝ મધર વિઝિટ ટુ સાયન્સ ફેર આપણે જોયું. હવે આપણે એક્ટિવિટી 7માં જોઈશું. જોઈન ધ properly part A with B using therefore, because and then per your teacher guidance. તો મિત્રો આપણે પાર્ટ એ અને પાર્ટ બીને જોઈન કરીશું therefore અને બીકોઝથી. મનીષ won the race because he ran fast. Satish is in bed because he is ill. Geeta arranged a party at home because it was her father's birthday. Bhavini has not gone to school because she has holiday in her school. I will go for shopping because I want to my new dress. Radha get beautiful gift from her aunt because she is very happy. We took umbrella with us, therefore it was raining heavily. Satish liked gardening because he made terrace garden at school. મિત્રો એક્ટિવિટી 8 match A or B. We should not waste our time because time is money. We should not waste water because water is our life. We should not smoke because smoking is injurious to health. We should take care of our health because health is a wealth. મિત્રો એક્ટિવિટી 9માં જોઈશું. fill in the blanks. Use therefore, because, makes it with the help of your teacher. Reena is very happy because she got good marks in science subject test. We took winter clothes with us. Therefore, we felt comfortable in cold during tour. We are tired. Therefore, we walk 12 kilometers on foot. Payal is brave girl. Therefore, she is not afraid staying alone. Snehal is happy because she has got prize in the competition. Maya is kind girl, therefore she helps everyone. મિત્રો એક્ટિવિટી બીમાં જોઈશું. વર્ક ઇન પેર, read the following slogan and make poster for them. Save the tree, keep environment clean, save girl child, reuse, reduce, recycle, do not smoke, health is wealth. મિત્રો એક્ટિવિટી 10માં જઈશું. Read the story and answer the question. One day Chimpu fox was wandering in the jungle. એક દિવસ ચિમ્પુ નામનું શિયાળ જંગલમાં આમ તેમ ભટકતું હતું. On the way, suddenly he saw a baby elephant, Jumbo. એકાએક તેને એક હાથીનું નાનું મદરિયું જમ્બો જોયું. જમ્બો વોઝ ક્રાઇંગ લાઉડલી. જમ્બો મોટેથી રડતું હતું. સો ચિમ્પુ આસ્ક્ડ હિમ. તેથી ચિમ્પુએ તેને પૂછ્યું, ડિયર જમ્બો, પ્રિય જમ્બો, વાય આર યુ ક્રાઇંગ? શા માટે તું રડે છે? જમ્બો સેડ, મિકી સ્લેપ મે. જમ્બોએ કહ્યું, વાદરાએ મને લાફો માર્યો. ચિમ્પુ કે હુ ઇઝ મિકી? મિકી કોણ છે? જમ્બો સેડ, મિકી ધ મંકી. મિકી વાદરો છે. ચિમ્પુ છે, વાય ડીડ હી સ્લેપ યુ? શા માટે તને લાફો માર્યો? જમ્બો છે, હી વોઝ એંગ્રી. તે ગુસ્સે થયો હતો. ચિમ્પુ છે, વાય વોઝ સી એંગ્રી? તે શા માટે ગુસ્સે થયો? જમ્બો છે, આઈ બ્રોક એ બ્રાન્ચ બાય મિસ્ટેક, હી વોઝ સિટિંગ ઓન ઇટ. જે ડાળી પરથી બેઠો હતો તે ભૂલથી મેં તોડી નાખી, તેથી તે મારા પર ગુસ્સે થયો. ચિમ્પુ છે, ઇઝ વેલ, સારું, ધેર ઇઝ અ પોઈન્ટ, આ મુખ્ય વાત છે. સે સોરી એન્ડ મેક હિમ એ ફ્રેન્ડ. તું તેને પાસે જા, માફી માગ અને ફરીથી મિત્ર બનાવ. જમ્બો સેડ સોરી ટુ મિકી એન્ડ દે બીકમ ફ્રેન્ડ અગેન. અને તેઓ ફરીથી મિત્રો બની ગયા. હુ વોઝ ચિમ્પુ? મિત્રો હવે આ સ્ટોરી પરથી આપણે પ્રશ્નોના જવાબો લખીશું. ચિમ્પુ કોણ હતો? ચિમ્પુ વોઝ ફોક્સ. ચિમ્પુ એ શિયાળ હતો. વાય વોઝ જમ્બો ક્રાઇંગ? જમ્બો વોઝ ક્રાઇંગ because Mickey slapped him. Who was Mickey? Mickey was monkey. Why did Mickey slap Jumbo? Mickey slapped the Jumbo because Jumbo by mistake broke the branch. Who was sitting on the branch? How did Jumbo and Mickey become friends again? Jumbo says sorry to Mickey and become friend again. મિત્રો એક્ટિવિટી 11 જોઈશું. There is a Viking. He always asks question to everyone. All are sad. They are bored. Whenever Mr. Viking come, they run away from there. Mr. Viking asks many questions to everyone. One day Mr. Viking meet Mr. Because let's see the what happened. Mr. Viking says, why are you here? Mr. Because says, like this garden. Mr. Viking says, why do you like it? Mr. Because says, because I like colorful flower. Mr. Viking says, why the flowers are so colorful? Mr. Because says, rain, sunlight, soil and water. Mr. Viking says, why don't know this? Mr. Because says, because of your question. Mr. Viking says, why do you ask question? Mr. Because says, you don't know the answer. Mr. Viking says, no, I know of. I forget to ask question why. Mr. Because says, I can't give every answer to your question. Active one, aunt says, oh, you are running. Where are you going? Aunt 2 says, I am going to the hospital. Aunt 1 says, why? An elephant made the accident. I am going to give him my blood. ત્રીજો જોક જોઈએ મિત્રો. જેકોબ સેજ, આઈ હેવ લોસ્ટ માય ડોગ. વોલ્ટર સેજ, વાય ડોન્ટ યુ ગીવ એન એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટ ઇન ન્યૂઝપેપર. જેકોબ સેજ, ડોન્ટ બી સ્લેડી. મિત્રો, આપણું આ લેસન 4 ટેલ મી વાય પૂરું થઈ ગયું. હવે મિત્રો તમે એક્ટિવિટી 6, 7, 8 એક્ટિવિટી 7માં પાર્ટ A પાર્ટ B જોઈન કરવાના. એક્ટિવિટી 6 પ્રશ્નનો જવાબ લખવાના અને એક્ટિવિટી 5 સાયન્સ એન્ડ અવર લાઈફના સ્પેલિંગો લખવાના, એને ગુજરાતી લખવાનું, પ્રશ્નોના જવાબો લખવાના અને એક્ટિવિટી 8 અને 9ના ખાલી જગ્યા ઉપરથી વાક્યો પૂરા કરવાના. આટલું હોમવર્ક તમે તમારા નોટમાં લખી દેજો. હવે બીજા વિડીયોમાં આપણે નેક્સ્ટ મળીશું.